really quick, I wanted to invite you to our next masterclass. This is September 7th. I have a coupon for you, a coupon code to save $10. This is Q4 masterclass. We've been talking about this masterclass for, I don't know, me and Danny are doing this, Danny on Demand. If you don't follow him, go follow him on YouTube. 3 things we're talking about in this masterclass. Number 1, time-saving book creation hacks, tips, all the things. How to use AI to get it done quick, how to stay safe with AI, but also how to still include keywords. I think that's something that we all want to do when we're being creative. So number 1, time-saving book creation tips. Number 2, proper goal setting. I remember the first time I got on Amazon for Q4, I just missed it. I just learned about it. I saw all of you guys raking in the coin, and I was like, I want that. And so I prepared for it for Q4 of 2022. And my Q4 of 2022, I actually hit $19,000 for my first Q4 ever on Amazon KDP. So proper goal setting is going to help you. We're going to talk about that, the workflow of a book, how long it should take to make a book, and what you can do to set proper goals to have a good experience for Q4. The third thing we're going to talk about is book income growth strategies. So I'm going to talk about ads. You guys know that I love ads. You know that I don't stop talking about ads. But understanding ads now will prepare you for Q4 because everyone decides to turn on ads for Q4. They don't ramp up early like me. And I don't want you to miss this. So if you go to www.jennyhansenlane.com/Q4, you can join us, and the coupon code expires a Sunday night, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The coupon code will get you $10 off, so it's in the comments. But we want you to join us because these masterclasses are always a lot of fun. They're always at least 45 minutes of live coaching. Bring your questions, anything that you need help with Q4, and we're going to knock it out. You have you have almost instant replays, but you do have lifetime access to the replays and any surprise bonuses that we add to the program. So please join us. This is literally like 7 sleeps away, less than 7 sleeps away. I don't want you to miss it. I don't want you to miss Q4. I want you to have a successful, prosperous, enjoyable Q4. Love you guys. Peace out.